What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Microsoft Outlook on your PC. While using your browser, head over to office.com or search for Microsoft 365 using your favorite search engine. Once you're on the site, sign in with your Microsoft account if you haven't already. After signing in, you will land on your Microsoft 365 homepage. If you only need Outlook Online, you can access it for free by clicking the app launcher in the top left corner and selecting Outlook. But if you want to install the desktop version, look for the Install Apps button on the top right. If you already have a Microsoft 365 subscription, you'll be able to install it directly. If not, you will see an option to buy Microsoft 365. Go ahead and complete the purchase if needed. Now, once you've completed the subscription or confirmed you already have one, click Install Apps to download the setup installer for Microsoft Office. After downloading the setup file, run it from your Downloads folder. A prompt will appear saying "We're getting things ready," followed by "Please stay online while Office downloads." Let it finish installing. This will include apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and of course Outlook. Once the installation is complete, go to your Start menu. Search for Outlook in your Start menu search and hit Enter. When it opens, you'll be able to start setting up your email account and using Outlook right away. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.